Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this fraction. 4 divided by 2, then times 3 and divided by 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. This fraction can be written as 4 divided by 2 times 3 inside this parentheses, then divided by just 2. The numerator divided by denominator. And here, according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here we first do these parentheses, and inside this parentheses we have this division and this multiplication. We first do this division. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 gives us just 2. 2 times 3, then divided by 2. And 2 times 3 equals 6. So 6 divided by 2. And this is equal to 3. So our final answer to this problem is just 3.